Hello ladies, welcome back to Much More Than Beauty. So in today's video, I wanted to record my most current wash and go routine because it is different than my wash and goes from like 2-3 years ago. I have this new method of wash and goes. So I'm just starting off with my hair like this. I washed my hair last night and I didn't do anything to my hair. So literally, this is what I'm working with, you guys. This is what a wash and go really would be like if I didn't actually style my hair and if I just washed and went. So wash and goes don't really mean wash and go, guys. There's actually like a routine and a method of doing it, and I'm just gonna be showing you guys my method. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my bathroom and dampen my hair, like wet my hair. I'm going to apply conditioner and I'm going to detangle, and then I'll be back to start my wash and go. Okay, so I just finished dampening my hair. I applied some conditioner and then I detangled using the Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush, which I love. And what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be using the Curls Blueberry and Mint Tea Scalp Treatment, and this is what it looks like. And I have been using this a lot lately because this stimulates your scalp and encourages your hair to grow. And if you've been watching my recent videos, you know that I am on this hair growth journey. I'm trying to get my hair to grow, guys. So this is definitely part of my routine now because it's like so quick and easy to do. Why not? So it's just like a dropper, and then you just put some in your scalp, and literally what I do is just I massage my scalp, and I massage it for a good minute. And guys, this is so good. It's so refreshing. It smells amazing. Sometimes I have like dry, flaky, itchy scalp, and this definitely helps like soothe and moisturize my scalp. Oh yeah, it smells so good. All right guys, so that's step one for me, is just doing like a really quick scalp treatment. Now, my next step is I'm going to go ahead and apply the Curls Aloe Blueberry Juice Curl Moisturizer. And this is what that looks like. And I love using this because it really helps soften my texture so that I can like manipulate it and so that I can style my hair. So I really like it because of how softening and moisturizing it is. So I'm applying some sprays to my ends because my ends tend to be the driest. And I'm spraying some in the front. The last product that I'm going to be using is another Curls product. This is their Blueberry and Coconut Hair Milk. And the reason why I'm using all Curls products, if you don't know, is because I'm obsessed with Curls. I love Curls. Curls works for me, and no, they did not pay me to make this video. They didn't reach out to me to say, hey, we're gonna pay you to use these products and create something. No guys, if you see me using Curls over and over and over and over again, it's honestly because I'm in love with their line and it works for me. And that's really it, you guys. So hair milk, I'm just going to apply this. And what's really good about the hair milk is that it defines your curls. So this one is for definition. So I'm gonna take an amount like that, nothing crazy. And I'm gonna just spread it all throughout my hair. I think I need a little bit more for my ends. So I'm going to begin parting my hair from the back, and I'm starting from the bottom clip the rest away. I'm going to use my Felicia detangler brush first to detangle and to evenly distribute those products that I just put in. Now, the next step is I'm gonna go in with the Denman brush. And I like to use this brush for definition. So I'm gonna split this in half and I'm just going to run this brush through my hair like so, and I'm just gonna let it curl up and do its own thing. Moving on to the next section, I'm going to now start working on my side. And first, detangler, Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush to make sure I don't have any knots. Okay. Now I'm going in with the Denman brush for the definition that I seek. Alright guys, I'm nearing the end. I just got this last section right here in the front. So I'm just detangling. And then I'm taking the Denman brush. And I'm actually gonna bring it back. And then I like to take my fingers and like smooth the edges back. Quick scrunch. You guys see the definition? How moisturized and shiny my hair looks. It looks really defined. So basically, I'm almost done. Alright guys, so my last step is to take a wide tooth comb like this, and I'm just going to flip my hair and I'm gonna run this comb. I'm gonna run it through my hair. And the reason why I like to do this is to separate my curls for more volume. And you want to do this while your hair is still wet so that you don't experience like tugging and breakage. So that's it. I just ran the wide tooth comb through my hair because it's just going to make my hair even bigger and more voluminous, which is what I'm looking to do. And basically the very last step now is to let my hair air dry. So real quick, while my hair is air drying, I did want to let you guys know that I personally am not using a blow dryer with a diffuser attachment anymore because I'm staying away from heat as much as possible. So I'm just going to let my curls naturally air dry. And the other thing I wanted to mention is that if you're looking for like really defined curls, bigger curls, thicker curls, and not so much volume, I would skip that last step with the comb. Another quick tip that I wanted to mention, if you notice any curls that are like not cooperating and they look like they're gonna be frizzy, I would take the curl moisturizer, I would dampen it, and I would finger coil it to fix any like frizzy curls, like so. All right, ladies, I am back from air drying my hair. I was actually outside for about like an hour. I just took my daughter outside to play, and it was a nice breeze, and my hair air dried pretty quickly, just an hour. As you can see, I have like tons of little curls, and that was all from separating. Not from separating, but that's from using the wide tooth comb after the Denman brush. And that's why I got all these individual curls, lots of volume. This is how I like my hair, guys. I like my hair big and voluminous. I feel like my hair is growing from the last time I cut it like 2-3 months ago, because before it was sitting like right about here, and now it's passing my shoulders. I want to thank you guys for watching my videos. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and also follow me on Instagram at MuchMoreThanBeauty. Also, ladies, please feel free to comment below and let me know, what is your current wash and go routine? What YouTuber, or like what YouTuber's wash and go is the method that you're following? And also let me know, what is your favorite hair products for your wash and goes? You guys already know mine's is Curls product, because they just work for me. I love curls. But yeah, guys, feel free to tell me below what is your favorite wash and go products, because I like using new products. So comment below, guys, so I can try out some new things. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until my next video, bye.